Hi, if you ask me, this is the best time to really bring the dog out. All the paths are clean around this neighborhood, more or less. Can't take him in the backyard because that's still not the way it should be. But yeah, this is his time. Don't know when he'll be back out again. So go, Ace, aka. He's just a funny dog. That's all I can tell you. Don't know when he'll be back out. He's not crazy about the rain or anything wet coming down. I gotta try to groom him in a few days. He's not on any drugs like sometime I need to do to groom him because he has a little separation anxiety. But it's a good time for a dog. Not too much salt down here. At least not yet for him. And this is what we're doing. So he's making his way. I'm not putting a coat on him because then he'll be warm and want to stay outside. But he's about 8 years old. Lot energy. Brush him, try to groom him. Good security guard though. Security system. This is him all day. And this is him. So I will try to do him. Yeah, I don't even mind because I was born in this type of weather, this time of year, so it doesn't bother me. Come on, because you can't cross. Yeah, this is a trip. They didn't do a bad job around here. I will tell you that. Whoa, look at all of that. That's a lot right there. That's a lot. All right, come on. Do your duty and make a U-turn. Come on, make a U-turn. You can't go that way. Hello? Don't make me call you Fido. Please, let's go. So yeah, this is him. A dog's day. Good day to walk a dog. Don't put all those coats and sweaters on them. They never gonna want to come back in. And this one, he just got a lot of action going on. Yeah, he's a busy one. Busy. He don't play. And see, the good thing about this, whatever he does, I'm not scooping anything up at the moment. I could just cover it with some snow. For real. Yep, I could just push it in the snow, which is just what I'm about to do. Sorry, I have no gloves, and I didn't bring my thingamajiggies. So this is what we're gonna do right now. Who would even know? It'll just melt up with the other snow. Hey, this is what you do with a small dog. Nobody will be the wiser. Okay, this is what we're doing, and we're off. Let's go back inside. Come on. Okay, you can't stop at every corner. Let's go. Time to go. Time to go. Because I don't know when he thinks he'll be coming back out. Yeah, but this is it. And this is how it looks after the snow come down. Some cars are buried in. Some cars are just buried, and some of us got out. As soon as you hear some snows like the last two we had, you gotta try to get your money together, because you're gonna have to pay somebody to shovel if you want to keep your wellness and your strength. And that's mainly for ladies when the male is not around at that particular moment. So yeah, he's about to go in any second now. Yeah. But this is definitely a dog's day. Most definitely a dog's day. Okay, you ready to go back in? Say the word. Well, he might not be, but I am. So this is walking the dog after the storm. Peace out. We do not live there, and you know it. And the cat is not around. Peace out.